or the dog treat. Green for Gladys. Tan for Dixie. 15 likes will do Hilda versus the loser. Is that a dog treat I see? I think that's a dog treat up there. Let's get my military up. Guys, there's less of us than there are of them, but we have better technology. So, we will win this. We may not have the same, fancy schmancy technology, but we have more manpower. We have more strength. And most importantly, we have the power of love. But this is the Disney. Shut up. Let's attack. Oh, crap. They took hold of it. All right, everyone, start marching. Like they're coming. Fire their artillery. Oh, Spidey, you're kind of squishing me. Hey, nerd. Bro, I'm your captain. Don't talk to me like that. Yeah, Full scale charge! I can't believe we actually did it. Goodness. Now let's go feed Glass her dog treat. Gladys, here you go. Aww. A dog. Oh, my jacket.